Hello, my dear student. Today I'll discuss one of the most interesting topic that is called rounding rules for rounding off. Suppose you want to rounding off a number up to n significant digits. So this is very important part, n significant digits. Okay. So there are different three rules you have. There are three rules you have. Number one, please write down rule rule 1. Rule 1. What is that rule? So first you need to check n plus 1th digit. You need to check n plus 1th digit. Okay. So rule is if n plus 1th digit is less than then 5, less than 5. So I am writing in different color, less than 5, then nth digit will be unchanged. Clear? First rule is clear. Now I'm going to discuss with some numerical example. Our topic is rules for rounding off. So you want to rounding off up to n significant digits. Okay. So now if you have a question, you have to round off up to 6 significant digit or 7 significant digit or 4 significant digit. You need to consider the next one, that is n plus 1th digit. So your main part to check your n plus 1th digit is less than 5. If yes, then your nth digit will be unchanged. Now let's see with some example. Now try to understand. A very simple example. Example number 1. Okay. Now try to understand 5.5631. Correct? Suppose you want to round off up to this level. Clear? You want to round off up to this level, that is 3 significant digit, 5, 5, 6. Now you need to check the next one. What is that? That is less than 5. Then what will be the round off? Your answer will be 5.56. Is it clear? Is it clear to everyone? Okay. Now I'm considering another example. Example number 2. Suppose you have 0.2573. You want to round off up to 3 significant digit, means this one. So what is your next target? You need to consider the second one. Okay. Now first you have to check this one is above 5 or less than 5. Here it is less than 5. So according to the rule, your answer will be anyone 0.257. Is it clear to all of you? Rule number 1. Up to which number you want to round off, you have to consider the second one. If it is less than 5, previous number no need to change. Clear? Okay, very good. Now come to the rule number 2. Please write down rule number 2. What is the rule number 2? If n plus 1th digit, if n plus 1th digit is greater than 5, greater than 5, then then add 1 add 1 with add 1 with nth place digit. Clear? So if n plus 1th digit is greater than 5, if it is greater than 5, then add 1 with nth place digit. Now try to understand with some numerical example. 1. Suppose you have 8.02887. Suppose you want to round off up to this level. Suppose you want to round off up to this level. Okay, up to this level. Then what is your next target? Your next target to identify the next one. So here the next one is above 5. So as per rule, if it is above 5, then you have to add 1 with the nth plus digit. That is your required position. Then what will be the answer? Your answer will be 8.029. Is it clear? Okay. Now, example number 2. Suppose if you have 9543756. Okay. Now you want to round off up to this level. Suppose. Then what about the next number? Your next number is this one. So now here it is clear to us that this number is above 5. Then what will be the answer? Your answer will be 95.44. Clear? Now another example. Clear? 9.3968. Suppose you want to round off up to this level. Suppose. Clear? What is our next target? Our next target will be the next number. Now here it is clear the next number is above 5. Then what will be the answer? Please write down 9.397. Now I think it is clear to everyone. Rule number 2 is clear. Okay. What about the rule number 1? Rule number 1 is all about if it is less than, that is n plus 1th digit is less than 5, then nth digit will be unchanged. But in case of it is greater than 5, then you have to add 1 with the nth place digit. Okay, rule number 2 is clear. Okay, next you write down rule number 3. What about rule number 3? If, please write down, if n plus 1th digit is exactly 5, there may be a situation exactly 5. Okay, exactly 5, then there are two situations. Number 1, if nth digit is even, then it will be remain unchanged. I repeat, if your n plus 1th digit exactly 5, then you need to check your nth digit position. If your nth digit is even number, even digit, that is 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. Okay. So then your nth digit will be remain unchanged. So no need to change anything. Okay. So next number 2 position, next part, number 2 situation. If nth digit is odd, is an odd, then add 1 with nth digit. Is clear? There are two situations. If you have n plus 1th digit is exactly 5, then you need to check your nth digit position. If your nth digit is even, no need to change it. Just no need to write anything. You write as it is, whatever you have. But if your nth digit is an odd number like 1, 3, 5, 7, 9 and so on, then you need to add 1 with nth digit. Clear? Now try to understand with some numerical example. Example number 1. 2.4565. Suppose you want to round off up to this level. Then what about the next part? You need to write an arrow or the next number. So here it is exactly 5. It is exactly 5. Okay. Then you need to check the previous one, that is your nth position. So as per formula, what is formula? If it is even, no need to add anything. So here it is exactly 6, that is even number. Then what will be the answer? Your answer will be 2.46456. Is it clear? Because first of all, this number exactly 5 and the previous number is an even number. It is even, correct? So as per formula, so no need to change anything. Whatever you have, you write as it is. Now you write down example number 2. Suppose you have 0.49375. Again, you need to round off up to this level. Then what you do? You have to check this one. So here it is exactly 5, isn't it? Exactly 5. Then what do? You need to check the previous one. What you have? Here it is an odd number, correct? 7. Then as per rule, you need to add 1 with this number. That is, your answer will be 0.4938. Is it clear to all of you? Is it clear? Now you need to write some homework. This is your homework. Now please write down your homework and you need to send it. 9543756. You need to round off up to this level. Okay. Then you have to send me the answer. Okay. Another example, number 2. 8.02658. You need to round off up to this level. Okay, you have to send the result. And third one, 2.4685, you need to round off up to this. So now I'm giving you 3 homework. Okay, now I'm first you have to solve it, and then you have to check your answer with our answer. So your answer will be 95438, and here it will be 8.026, and here it will be 2.47. It will be 47. Okay, if it is correct, if it is clear and the concept is clear, please do like my video, and you write, if you can write some comment, it will helpful. And don't forget to subscribe our channel to get latest videos. Okay, the answer will be 2.47. That's all. Clear? Thank you everyone.